South, we dirty. Can y'all really feel me? Baby girl. East Coast feel me. West Coast feel me. Can y'all really feel me? Feel it. East Coast feel me. Say what? West Coast feel me. Dirty South, dirty. Can y'all really feel me?
Hey friend, what's up? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today's video we are going to be reviewing this Swiss lace wig. This is the sensational Cloud9 wet lace frontal wig, and it's pre-plucked. It's got an illusion hairline, baby hairs, it's got it all. But the best part is, y'all, it's cheap, it's affordable. It is $50. This is in the color 1B, and the name of the wig is Zelina. You know how they always give you a name along with the wig? It'd be like Sally, this is Brenda, this is Zelina. And Zelina is amazing. I'm just going to be doing some basic little tricks to kind of, get the wig ready for my head. Nothing special. I really wanted to give you guys an affordable wig, but a wig that looks really good. And this one, it's giving 90s vibes. It's giving blowout. So I'm really excited, and I hope you all like it. So first, I am just dabbing on my foundation onto the lace. This just helps acclimate it, get it used to my skin tone. Obviously this isn't real lace, so we're not going to be bleaching it or doing anything that requires too much of our energy, so just a little of that goes a long way. And then I'm using Got To Be glue. I really like using this for lace fronts because I don't know how to use wig glue, I'm not gonna lie, y'all, and I don't like messing with that because my edges are already so fragile. So I do like Got To Be. It does the job, it holds the wig tight, and you can take it off with water, so it's really my go-to. But I just put that along my hairline, and then I'm going to put the wig on. As you can see, the baby hairs are pre-plucked, so I was so thankful. I just feel like wigs like this are easy. I'm not good at wigs, like plucking and all of that. I tried to hang with those girlies, I tried to be in that era, but it is work, it is really hard. So hats off to people who actually take the time and pluck and bleach and all of that. I love you for it. But this wig is for the lazy girls. Not even the lazy girls, the girls who they want something quick and easy. This is your wig. And I just love how it looks. Like it's giving blowout. It really is. And I like that, I like the bone straight hair, but I like wigs that have big Hollywood curls in them. Pinup curls. I don't know if this counts as pinup curls, but super cute. I'm just pressing down. I go in with my fingers and I press down just to make sure the glue is touching everything. I say glue, but it is truly just a gel. And then I'm just taking this, it's my little scarf. It's really stretchy, and I'm just going to wrap that around so it, has everything dry, nice and together. We just want everything to dry in place. That's my biggest pet peeve, is when it, the lace pops up and all of that. I'm like, this style wasn't even worth it, or the wig wasn't even worth putting on. So I gotta make sure it stays down. I'm just tying that on, and that way I can still mess with the rest of my hair and, just play with it, mess with it. I was feeling myself, y'all. Look at me. Stupid. But yeah, look how flowy it is. I'm loving it. I'm just gonna do a middle part, and I like to always start off with the middle part. Even though this style at the end you'll see you can do a side part, but I always like to start off with the middle part just because it kind of, I don't know how to explain it, but it's just easier as a starting point for me. I feel like it's really easy to do a nice middle part and lay it down flat, and then I can do a side part later. I'm just like that, but you don't have to be. That being said, you can part this wherever. It has a really thick lace. The lace, it's pretty impressive for it being synthetic and only $50. I was impressed, darling. But I'm just going in and combing back all of the hair so it doesn't get stuck in the gel as it's drying. And then I'm just going through and combing it. I'm using my wide tooth comb because I want to preserve the curls. They're nice and big, so I just feel like using a brush on it might undo them too much. But this is just me, going through. As you can see, it is synthetic. Let us please remember that. So I don't want it to be fooled. I don't want it to fool anybody. I just feel like it looks really good right here, but don't be fooled. It is still synthetic hair, so we just have to be careful when we comb it and just be aware that it is going to tangle a little bit, but not too much. I'm just using my curling iron, and I'm really just getting the front of it to be smooth and to lay down. If you have a hot comb, that can work too. Hot combs are really popular for wigs, but I don't have one, so we're just making do, and I'm literally just putting it on the part to lay it down as flat as possible. And then I'm also going to use this on the edges, the quote unquote edges, not my edges, but the edges of the wig. And again, this is just kind of going to help with the melt, as they call it, melting the hair, making it look realistic. Okay, so now that it is dry, and it does not take that long to dry, I just left it in for like maybe 20-30 minutes. But I'm just going in and cutting off the lace, and I am going to use this little razor I got from the beauty supply store. It just helps you get them edges. It is still a little flaky at the top, so I do have to go in and put more gel on the edges, you know, the parts where I just like freshly cut it. But y'all, this thing, it's in place. Like, you could tug on it, not too hard, not too much now, but you could tug on it and it'll be in place. And again, that's why I like using Got2b. I think it's a good substitute for glue if you're too afraid to use glue. I'm there with you, girl. My edges are already not that long. I want to preserve the ones that I do have. I want to keep them around. But here I'm just going in and doing baby hairs. I'm really just pulling them out. They did come included, pre-plucked, already out, so I love that. Again, not a lot of work. The only thing is they make them super long. Like, look at how long these are. Crazy. They're so long. So you probably will have to end up cutting those, trimming them a little bit, but they do already kind of pre-pluck them and pre-cut them for you, so that is helpful. Again, if you're kind of a newbie to this and this is coming from a newbie herself. Baby hairs, let's talk about baby hairs. Are they necessary? No. Do they help? Yes. I feel like they are really good for concealing the lace, especially if your lace is messy or it starts to lift. Baby hairs can just conceal them, and it also, I feel like they make it look a lot more natural. These two right here, the golden children. I actually didn't end up using the mousse for my hair because I just didn't feel the need to, but mousse is a great option for like getting your hair to tame down. And then also this balm, y'all, it is so good. The name of it, well, this brand is She Is Balm, but this is a hair wax stick, and originally I tried this on my natural hair. Did not go great, but I found out that I actually really like it when it comes to wigs, and just, you know, getting it to melt. This is what gives it the melt. It's really just a wax balm, and again, all of these things are just helping it to kind of conceal and look more natural, which is what we want from our wigs. But y'all, isn't this so cute? And it is soft, doesn't feel synthetic-y. I don't know if I'm explaining that right, like what does synthetic feel like, but I feel like it feels really soft. It was super pretty. This is that side part I was telling you about. She's giving. But that is gonna be it for our video today. I love this wig. It's the perfect holiday wig and for an affordable price. I'm gonna leave the link down below, so if you're interested, check that out. Be sure to give this video a thumbs up if you liked it, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.